Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an all-time mouth-watering delicacy called chicken biryani. In this recipe I will show you the detailed steps to make the rice, to make the gravy as well as to layer the chicken biryani. Hope you like it, and without further wasting any time, let's get right into it. Here I have taken 350 grams of whole chicken and cut it into medium pieces. So some are with bones while some are boneless. 3 teaspoons of coarse ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 big onions chopped, 2 cups of basmati rice. To make the biryani, we always use a basmati rice. Some dry fruits, I'm using raisins and some cashews. Whole garam masala, so I've taken about 6 to 7 cloves, some nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 3 to 4 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few peppercorns about 8 to 10, 3 bay leaves, 1 medium tomato chopped, cup of mint leaves, they give nice flavor to biryani, cup of coriander leaves, some nutmeg powder, and some cardamom powder. We are going to use these during the layering. First, we are going to make the biryani masala. So put in all the whole garam masala in a grinder, and we are going to grind it to a fine powder like this. The flavor of the freshly made masala always stands out. Next, we are going to marinate the chicken. So add in the coarse ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, freshly made masala powder, tomatoes, and I'm also adding about 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix everything really well. Coat all those chicken pieces with the marinade. We are going to marinate the chicken for about 1 hour. You can also add some lemon if you like. To make the rice, I have taken 4 cups of water and I've added a bay leaf and seasoned the water with some salt. As the water comes to a boil, drop in the washed rice. Mix it well. We are going to closely watch the rice. So after about 5 to 7 minutes, just give it a stir and check the rice. It should be about 70% cooked. Now go ahead and strain it. Rice for biryani needs to be fluffy and it's ready. Put the flame to medium-high, and to cook the gravy, we are going to take a deep pot and add in about 4 tablespoons of clarified butter. You can also use oil, but in my experience, making biryani in a clarified butter or ghee adds that extra flavor. First, we are going to fry the dry fruits. So as the raisins puff up, they are ready and we're going to take them out in a plate. The almonds are also fried well. Look at those. Now in the same ghee, we are going to add the cumin seeds, and as they start to crackle, put in the bay leaf and stir it. Now add in the chopped onions. The gravy for the biryani is because of these onions, so if you want to use some more onions, that's good too. Add the salt to speed up the process of frying the onions. Keep stirring in between. It will take about 20 to 25 minutes to get this nice golden brown color. You want to fry the onions really well. We have fried the onions on a medium flame, stirring in between. Now we'll start adding some spices. So add in turmeric and the red chili powder. Mix well. It gives such an amazing color, that red chili powder. The spices and onions are fried well. Now we'll add the marinated chicken. So drop in all of that marinated chicken and mix it well. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes, nicely coating all the masala with the chicken pieces. Cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, and while it cooks, let's mix in the saffron strands with some milk. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Let's give it a stir. Notice that some water is released. Again cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Let's give it a stir. Notice that there is a lot of water released. So mix it and again cover it and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, the chicken pretty much looks cooked, so give it a stir. Notice that we have not added any water to this gravy. Add in all the remaining salt. Mix it well. It gives such a nice aroma, this chicken curry. So now we are going to cover and cook for last 5 minutes. The chicken gravy for the biryani is now ready. Switch off the flame. Now we are going to make the layers for the biryani, and for that I am removing 2/3 of the chicken gravy. And there is about 1/3 left in the pot. To that, first we are going to layer the rice. So add in the rice and spread it. Here I am adding some fried onions, and these are store-bought. You can fry them at home too. Next up, I am going to add in the chopped coriander leaves. Add the chopped mint leaves. Sprinkle some nutmeg and cardamom powder. Add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of saffron milk. Add the dry fruits. And also adding some food color. Completes the first layer. I'm going to follow the same for the second one. So add in half of the chicken gravy and just follow the same process of adding the rice, fried onions, coriander, mint, saffron milk, dry fruits, nutmeg, cardamom powder, and food color. Finish off with the third layer. Smelling amazing in here, and we really can't wait to have this biryani. Making a good biryani takes lots of efforts, but trust me, the end result is totally worth it. On this last layer, I'm adding some butter to give that extra moisture. Just spread some small pieces of butter on top. That completes the layering of the biryani. We are going to cover and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. After 10 minutes, let's open, and the biryani is ready. Butter is nicely melted and it has soaked in all the curry into the rice. So let's go ahead and dig in. It's smelling amazing. The rice is perfectly cooked, and the colors and the meat are also nicely come together. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.